Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uzair and I am the student of SST Public School Rashidabad. Welcome to today's SST PSR's podcast. Today's podcast is too much special because today we are having one of the students of the first entry and who also served as the second head boy of SST Public School Rashidabad, Mr. Akif Javed. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, and thank you very much for inviting me here.
Welcome, sir. We are too much honored to welcome you here, sir. So, sir, let's start our conversation, sir.
Sure.
Sir, as you were the part of the first entry, so what were your feelings when you joined the school, when everything was new and raw for you?
Okay, basically the feeling was pure excitement that was there. When I first came to Sindh, there were many issues. When we broke the news to the family that I'm going to the Sindh, I'm basically from Punjab, and the city called Chichavatni. And the people did not believe. People said, "Okay, people come to Punjab for study." And when I left for Sindh, so there was one person, one of the family member, he came to see whether I am going at the right place or not. So when we reached there in the Rashtabad, so we saw some people, very aged people, जो वहाँ पे थे, and they were so welcoming. And I thought कि भाई, I was taking my bag and he was taking the bag from me कि नहीं sir आप बैठें, बिल्कुल बैठें. He was calling me sir. That was something that I took very inspirational. And when I moved inside the school, so all I wanted was the play area that I saw. There were some cricket fields, there were some footballs, and when I visited the Mensa also, and I had a food. So that feeling cannot be expressed in words. लेकिन वो feelings जो हैं, that will remain with me forever. So, and I was the first one when I met Paul McDermott, the first principal that we had. So those beings, every kind of teachers and principal and the vice principal, and we met, that feelings cannot be expressed by words. So I still have goosebumps by those feelings.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what were your impressions when you joined the school as a student in the starting years?
Okay, basically I did not have any something like कि मुझे क्या करना है. We used to study at home. हमें सिर्फ घर में ना खेलना, मतलब पढ़ना सिखाया जाता था कि you only have to study. So खेलने का time was very little. And when I saw something कि जो हमारे यहाँ पे proper timings थी for everything, play area was separate, play time was separate, and then study time was separate. That was quite inspirational. And when it is also famous in my family, I was more happy when I returned to school rather when I went back to the family. So उनको ये होता था कि छुट्टियां खत्म हुई, I always wanted कि मैं एक दिन पहले जाऊँ ताकि वहां जाके I should have a play time and I should have something that I enjoy the most. So very learning things that are there. I've learned many things in the first 2-3 years. So जो आज भी मेरे साथ हैं, and I also teach them to my students also. I try to implement those rules that I had in my life.
Okay, sir. So you became the second head boy of SST Public School Rashtabad. So how did responsibility shape your personality and leadership style?
Actually, I feel being a head boy, it did not do any much because I was first a school prefect. And then after 3 years, I became the captain of Bitai House. And then I became the head boy. And the first head boy, we have Muhammad Awais. He was a very good friend of mine. He was also from Bitai House. And our beds were closer to each other. And we shared a lot of things. And I feel I've learned many things from him. I spent a lot of time with him. He had a very calm personality. And I used to stand with him. We have different rules now. Like at that time, head boy had many responsibilities, even to look at the uniform that people come in. You have a lot of uniforms, but there was only one uniform at that time. So when he was absent or he was ill, I used to do his duty also. So when I became the head boy, so nothing changed much. I was doing the same thing that I was doing as a captain of Bitai House. So उसमें कोई ऐसा change नहीं आया. I felt, but I always wanted to teach students, the juniors and the same class fellows that I had, they should learn something that it is not about the leadership. Everyone should be a leader, whether not in the house or something. We tried in the sports also, and we tried in education also, in academics also. So we tried many things, and all of the juniors are still in contact with him, and they are all very respectful. That I also respect a lot, and they are also in touch, which I feel is a very good thing. जो मेरे साथ अभी भी बात करते हैं, and they give you respect. So for me, that is a very good gift for me.
Okay, sir. Sir, as a proud member of Bitai House, which memories are too much important for you and memorable for you?
Oh, those are very important. But there are so many memories. There are so many memories that oh, we have fought a lot, and we have done some things that should not have been done the way that we have done. But eventually, when we meet our friends now, we had a great enemy with Shehbaz House. We had a great enemy with Sachal House also. Rohul was on the other side, and we felt कि भाई उनके खून पे हमें कभी कभी तरस भी आता था. I still remember. So the best things that I remember is we always fought in the at the match time or in the grounds. But at the end of the day, at the dinner table, we used to share same things, and we used to laugh at each other. Okay, what we have done. So those are the important things. I think the sports competition are still in my head. Okay, how we fought for the school events, and how we fought for the house events, and house points were very important for us. Abhi to I've not seen any house points are.
Yes, sir.
We used to have something that the house points were posted here somewhere after every week. So when there is 20 points up, and there's always a difference of 20, 30 points. There is not much difference in that. And we used to get points in the morning run also. We used to get points in reaching the Mensa on time also. So when I became the head boy, so there was also, my heart was always for the Bitai House. But there was also a feeling, when I became the head boy, so my responsibility was to look after every house that we had. I remember I used to take rounds at night with the principal also. Okay, if there is any problem in the house, I should look after that problem. I used to sleep at around 11 o'clock. Those are very good times. I still remember. I've been head boy with Dr. Amanullah that you heard today. Dr. Amanullah has given me full liberty how to run the houses. There are many responsibilities. So there are multiple things that I remember from the houses also.
Yes, sir. Sir, what message would you like to give to the students who are studying here and spending most of their time here now?
Okay, there are multiple messages that I could give. The one message I gave in the presentation also, and the one word that describes your life is about एहसास. अगर जिंदगी में किसी भी स्टूडेंट, किसी भी बच्चे की जिंदगी में एहसास आ जाता है, सो आई फील कि उसकी जो लाइफ का जो पर्पस है वो उसको अच्छे तरीके से फुलफिल कर सकता है. एंड ऑल्सो फिर उसके बाद डू नॉट जस्ट वेस्ट most of the times in your academics also. Play some sports, have a good time here, have good friends. These are the friends you are going to remember the rest of your life. So I have friends, and today some of them came, and we laughed at many things. We fought for many things, but we still are friends. So, and I have no friends I'm currently in Lahore, and I have studied there for almost 5, 6, 7 years. So I have no friends. After the school, I did not have any friends. So my friends are the same that I've studied, I was in the college with. So I feel your friendship, these are the very important years that you are spending here in the boarding school. और उसके बाद I feel कि आपको जिंदगी में अपने एहसास रखें and work hard. I think you will be a successful person.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your precious time and precious words. Your words have truly motivated the student of SH Public School Rashidabad.
Pleasure.
For those who are listening and watching, until next time, keep learning and keep shining.